Unlock the power of earning right from your smartphone on Fiverr. Dive into a world where your mobile device becomes your money-making ally. Stay tuned to discover how. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unlocking the potential of Fiverr right from your smartphone. Stay with me till the end to discover how your mobile device can become a revenue-generating powerhouse on Fiverr. In the digital landscape, platforms like Fiverr have become a bridge connecting freelancers with a world of opportunities. But did you know that you can earn on Fiverr using just your smartphone? Yes, your mobile device can be your earning powerhouse on Fiverr. Let's first touch on why Fiverr is your go-to platform. It's a global marketplace bustling with buyers looking for a diverse range of services. Whether you are a wordsmith, a graphic designer, or even have a voice that can charm, there's a space for you on Fiverr. So how do you step into the world of Fiverr with your smartphone? First off, identify your skill set. It's about understanding what you excel at and what you are passionate about. Your unique skills are your currency on Fiverr. Your Fiverr profile is your storefront. It's what clients see first. A compelling bio, a professional profile picture, and a portfolio that speaks volumes about your expertise are your toolkit to making a strong first impression. Now on to the gigs. Your gigs on Fiverr are the services you offer. Tailor your gigs to reflect the demand in the market. Make your gig titles and descriptions a mirror to the value and uniqueness you bring to the table. Optimizing your gig is like having a signboard that's visible from afar. Utilize relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. A captivating image or video showcasing your gig can be the cherry on top to grab potential buyers' attention. Digging this content? Unearth more treasures by hitting subscribe, giving a like, and ringing the bell. More gems are awaiting discovery. Ready to keep digging? Let's go back in. Don't forget the power of social media to amplify your presence. Promote your gigs on different social media platforms, showcasing samples of your work and testimonials. It's about building a trust bridge with potential clients. Delivering exceptional service is your ticket to earning positive reviews on Fiverr. Ensure timely delivery and exceed your clients' expectations. Effective communication throughout the project is like a lighthouse guiding your client through the journey, ensuring their concerns are addressed promptly. Now let's talk about the charm of upselling and offering extras. Once you've got a rhythm going on Fiverr and have built a client base, offering additional services or extras can add more feathers to your earnings cap. It's about providing added value that resonates with your clients. Now, why is using your phone on Fiverr a smart choice? The flexibility and convenience it offers is unmatched. Your smartphone becomes your portable workstation, allowing you to manage your gigs, connect with clients, and capture creativity on the go. With instant notifications, you're always in the loop. Whether it's a new order, a message from a client, or gig updates, your smartphone ensures you're on top of your game, providing timely responses. Seamless communication is the cornerstone of successful projects on Fiverr. With the Fiverr app on your phone, instant messaging becomes your tool to build strong relationships with clients, ensuring a smooth sail through the project journey. Your smartphone is not just a communication device, it's a creativity tool. Whether it's snapping reference pictures or recording voiceovers, your phone is your companion in capturing creativity wherever inspiration strikes. In wrapping up, Fiverr coupled with your smartphone is a potent combo to monetize your skills and earn online. The journey on Fiverr is about dedication, exceptional service, and constant innovation. So, embrace your talents, get your smartphone ready, and step into the lucrative world of Fiverr. Still connected? Your tenacity is about to uncover a jewel. Dive deep into a free ebook revealing the pinnacle online business to light up today. Yet, the adventure amplifies beyond. Post ebook, a fascinating 15-day challenge unfurls, exquisitely orchestrated for this digital quest. With seasoned guides, transformative insights, and a fortified toolkit, your path towards online royalty is charted. Can you perceive the alluring opportunity? Act with vigor. Smash the link in the description this instant and jet towards a realm of digital mastery. Cooling down from today's hot e-earning tips? Tried the method? Have chilly doubts or fiery wins? Let's melt the comments with your thoughts. Did today's financial flame kindle your interest? Smash like to fan the flames. Want to keep the wealth warmth coming? Subscribe and hit the bell to stay toasty with every fiery tip. But before you extinguish See That Video Ember, it's another blaze of wealth wisdom. Click, and let's continue to ignite your financial success together. Until the next spark.